Kung magtatagumpay yung mga kandidato ng administrasyon, edi siyempre malamang madadagdagan yung ranks nila kasi medyo mataas kasi yung level of conviction two-thirds vote, hindi lang majority. So kinakailangan mo na. At the same time also, we have to trust na with you, kayong media, covered naman yan, taong bayan, napapanood natin lahat. So hindi naman basta-basta baliwalain nila yung ebidensya at saka yung proseso. It's about fairness, determining the truth, giving both sides a chance, and then boboto sila. At the end of the day, yung hinihingi, hindi naman kinakailangan sa Constitution yung public clamor. So, hindi pag nakita natin lahat kung anong nangyayari, anong ebidensya, anong testimonya, if they're astute politicians as they are, because they're nananalo sa election, di makikinig din yan dun sa ano ng taong bayan. Kung mag-rating na naman yan na impeachment trial as number 1 na telenovela, makikita, mabubuo yung kaisipan ng ating mga mamamayan, whoever they are, regardless of their political, kahit sino binoto nila, edi maganda sana yun.